Hi guys, good morning. I'm currently here at NAIA Terminal 1. Kasama ko yung mama ko sa likod. And we're going to Taipei, Taiwan today. And we will be riding China Airlines. Ayun. So, first time ko dito sa NAIA Terminal 1. And mas maganda pala yung Terminal 3. Akala ko mas maganda dito. Late lang pala siya. So, lang yung experience namin. So, dumating kami dito ng 7:45. And dumiretso na agad kami sa check-in counters to drop our bags and also to get our boarding pass. So, inabot kami ng almost 1 hour doon. Dalawa lang yung counters and medyo matagal yung naging process. Medyo mahaba yung pila, pero not super haba. So, okay. Tapos after nun, immigration, parang around 5 to 10 minutes lang ata. Wala namang questions na inask sa amin, lalo kay mama. Natagalan lang kami kasi may isa na before us na matagal siya in-interview. Ganun. After nun, yung baggage inspection, yun, smooth naman yung process. Tapos, ayun, boarding date na after. So, madami naman kainan dito. So, boarding time is 9:55, pero since na late na dating yung plane namin, mamamove siya ng 10:10 or 10:15 a.m. So, yun lang. Wala nang share. So, ayun guys. See you later. Pag nasa Taiwan na kami, update ulit.